Alright, now we are going to work on practice 1, section 7, question 15 to 18. Let's go for number 15. So the questions, look at the questions here. They give you absolute value of x minus 3 equal to half. You want to find the least value of x, the smaller value of x. So notice that all the time if you take away the absolute value, you do a plus minus on the other side. You have a x minus 3 equal to half. Okay, now you can see clearly. Or x minus 3, alright, you can see it right now, equal to 1 over 2. Okay, alright. Okay, so you can see it right now, right? X minus 3 equal to negative 1 over 2. Now, so in this case, x equal to 3.5. You move the negative 3 to the other side, become positive 3. X equal to 2.5. So the smallest value is 2.5. But in SAD1, when you grade in, you cannot put 2.5. You have to put in 5 over 2 or 2.5. Because the grade in, you have 4 boxes. The 2.5 point is one box, 2 is one box, point is one box, and 5 or 5 over 2. So both of these are acceptable, right? So this is number 15. Let's go to number 16 here. 16, they say that WXYZ are 4 different digits, and the first they are going to following this rule: x equal to w plus y plus z. If they are all the 4 different numbers, x can be any number, depends on what you have. Number 2, they say that w equal to y plus 1, so w is y plus 1. And number 3, z equal to w minus 5. So you notice that w can be 5 or 6 or 7. Now let's say if w is 5, then z will be 0. If w is 6, z equal to 1. If w is 7, z equal to 2. So when w is 5, z equal to 0, so then y will be 4. W, x, y add up together, w, y, z add up together is 9. So if w is 6, z is 1, y will be 5. This is more than 10, if it's 12. So this one is out. And the bottom one is also, okay, look at this carefully here, the number. This one is also out. Okay, you notice that w equal to 5, z equal to 0, y equal to 4, x will be equal to 9. Right? This will be w plus 6 plus y plus z, w, y, z. So these are the choices. So w, x, y, z. Therefore, we put on top w, x, the w, x, y, z is equal to 5, 9, 4, 0. Okay, so now if we go for 17 and 18 now, let's erase them first. Yeah, let's go to number 17. Okay, now 17, they're looking for the length of the perimeters shown in bold. So this is the these are triangles, and tell it is A, B, C, D, E, F, and they tell you that all the triangles are equilateral triangles, and these 3 are the same, and each side is 10. Now if notice is 10, then this is the side of equilateral triangles, which is equal to 20. So this means this is 20 and this is 20, and this is half of the equilateral triangle, because this part is 10, 10, 10. So this is also 10 and 10. So you add them up, 30, 40, 50 plus 40 is equal to 90. The last question is number 18. Okay, look at the question carefully. they're asking you what is the value of a, and x greater than 0. So they tell you this is a graph here, and because they didn't mention that it's not drawn to scale, you assume this value is 3, and this value is -3, and this value is -4. Oh, so this is g of x. They want to find they tell g of a minus 1.2 equal to 0, and a is greater than 0. So technically, when we look at it, I don't really care that the equation they give you gx to k times x plus 3, x minus 3, that is just extra information because they're looking for a only. So when this whole thing, this g a minus 1.2 is the y value, y equal to 0, y equal to 0 when you are on, when x equal to 3 or -3. So this means, let me erase this one at the bottom. This means a minus 1.2 is the x value, is either equal to -3 or a minus 1.2 must be equal to 3. So in this case, the first one is out because you put -3 plus 1.2, the a is negative. But this is correct when -1.2 move or become positive 1.2. So this means 3 plus 1.2 is 4.2. So the answer is 4.2. Alright, we conclude the section 7 in practice 1.